Hi and welcome to Planears video tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss a user in detail. Now this is the test user that we created in our previous video. If you click on this, you'll see a new page which will provide all the information of that particular user. For instance, you can see the user's email, its team, designation, and a caterer. Now all these things that we have created in our previous video. Furthermore, if you scroll down, you'll see the personal information section. Now in this section you can see address. You can actually update the address for a user, its salary, work location, joining date, date of birth, and in order to do so you'll have to click on this button, this right here. If you click on this, you'll see a pop-up in which you can enter all the information basically. For example, his date of birth, the address, phone number, citizenship number, and then the hiring status. You can also see these options like say intern, if it's in probation, if it's confirmed, resigned, or terminated. Now once you click on this add button, you'll see your all information that you will be adding or actually typing in will be saved here at this section. Now if you scroll down, you'll see the education information. In order to update the education information, you'll have to click on this add button. Just type in the degree, title, its score percentage, and click on this add button. Now once you update the information, you'll see the educational information right here in this section. Similarly, if you scroll down further, you'll see the reference information. If there is any sort of reference for that user, click on this add button to add that reference information. Let's say the reference name, its email address, occupation. Click on this add button. Furthermore, if there is any sort of emergency contact, click on this add button to update that emergency contact. You can type in the name, address, contact phone number, relationship with that user, and click on this add button, and you'll update the information of the emergency purposes as well. Now furthermore, scrolling down, you can see the settings. These are actually settings and permissions that you can actually allow a user within Planears. Now we'll have a separate video and we'll discuss each and every detail of the permissions and what exactly will be the function of that permission. So we'll have a separate video for that. We'll discuss all these permissions in a separate video in which will help you out all these details for the permissions. Furthermore, if you scroll a little bit down, you'll see the to-do list in which you can actually update any sort of task for that particular user. Now once you type anything, let's say anything like that, a task, click on this add to do and you will simply add that task for that user. Just right, you can actually delete it as well if you want to. And on top of that, if you want to add any sort of attachment, let's say a resume, you can simply click on this upload file button, choose the location of that file. Now there's a maximum size for 8 MBs. If it's more than 8 MBs, then you will not be able to upload the file. And then you have an option for adding any sort of notes. Click on this add a new note button, type in a note name and the description to it, and you'll see the note here, right here in this section. A detailed section in which we'll talk about the monthly vlogs and daily vlogs in a detailed version. Now this is it. This is all the details for a user. Thank you very much for watching the video.